Green, 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 green. Ooh. Green, 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 green. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill Comfort Zone, Jill Comfort Zone, Jill Comfort Zone. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back Jazzie fam. If you're new to here, pull up a seat, relax, click that subscribe button down there if your heart content to do so, and click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another video. All right, guys, so guess what tonight? Happy Wednesday to you all. Tonight, what we are making is a savory roast using our Ninja Foodi Deluxe slow cooker. So, it's going to be truly delicious. And with that, we're going to have some green beans, some yellow rice, and some cheddar cheese biscuits. Okay? Yeah. So, another savory meal. I know it's summer, but I wanted a nice roast so I can have lunch and my daughter can have lunch as well for the next day. And those things tend to stretch. So, we're about to get started. I'll meet you back over here at the counter. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So, as you can see, we got our Himalayan salt, herb de Provence, onion powder, fennel seed, ground turmeric, parsley flakes. We got our chicken flavor bouillon, our complete seasoning, our smoked paprika, red crushed pepper, Himalayan salt, pink. It's a Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. That's what's going to be used in the pot roast. And we have garlic powder, I said. We also have some fresh parsley and basil in here. And then I have some extra red peppers. And this is my first time trying it. This slow cooker savory beef roast kit. I never bought them packed like this before. I usually buy my roast separate. So I thought I'll try something different and use this kit to see how quicker it'll make my process. But, you know, girl always trying something new. So we won't be using the garlic powder. I'll be using some fresh, I have a clove of garlic. Sorry, Jazzie is peeling those for me at this moment. And they are going to go in this pressure cooker. So I'm going to wash the roast. And then I'm going to season it down with all the seasonings that's mentioned. This comes with a season pack. I come with my own seasoning. I don't need that. And as you can see, we have our green beans in here. This is seasoned with all the ingredients that you've seen thus far. And I'm about to stir it up, except for the mince. I have minced garlic in there. And I did not use the Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. So what I don't have in this pot right now is currently some black pepper. So let's get that in there. The black pepper in there. And as you know, I love black pepper. And then we're going to stir this up. So I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back. The sunlight is shining. I didn't have the beef broth. You'll need some beef broth and some thyme there. And I got my smashed garlic right there. Seasoning this blend up together. And you'll need some olive oil, okay? So we're just going to pour a little olive oil on here. I also put olive oil in. Sorry, the sunlight is bright, y'all. Yeah, so we're just gonna rub this baby down with this oil, right? You know, coat it nicely just so that the oil is blended well on there and coating nicely on there, rather. And because we want our seasoning to stick, And then once I dip this, I have some seasoned flour that I did my oxtails with. I had preserved some of it that was seasoned with the oxtail seasoning, y'all. You remember what I mean, what I'm talking about, right? So rub that oil in there and get it rubbed up nice. Yeah, let's get this seasoned up. I'm making a mess over here, okay? I got a fan blowing and look, blowing everything everywhere, huh? So all those seasonings I mentioned, except for the paprika. So I just added the smoked paprika and the crushed red pepper to it. So we just want to coat this, rub this seasoning all on this lovely, lovely, lovely roast. Get it coated real good, guys. And I didn't need all that seasoning. So once you're seasoning, you'll see you won't need all that seasoning I use it. Because I used about a tablespoon and a half. Rub it in, y'all. Don't be scared. Okay? And I put a tablespoon and a half of each of the seasonings I mentioned earlier. So I just want to make sure each side is coated nicely with this. Sorry, I'm all over the place, huh? So look at that. Lovely. And then we're going to dip this baby in a flour bath. Okay? That's what we about to do. Hit it in the Ninja Foodi Deluxe to sear it. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So basically, I'm just roughly chopping these up. We don't need no certain specific. All they're gonna do is go in there like so, as chunks, and we be good with this onion, okay? Potatoes are already these size. I'm gonna leave them in there just like that. Except for this one, I'm gonna cut it in half. And I'm going to leave it in half, like that, okay? This one in half. And then that way they can cook a little bit evenly. So we got our red potatoes and stuff already cut. We have our celery and carrots already in here. And as you can see, our roast is there. So now the Ninja Foodi is heating up so I can go ahead and sear this. And then once we sear this baby up, then we're going to remove it. We're going to deglaze the bottom so we can get all that goodness out of there with the beef broth. And once we get the nice goodness from the bottom, the crust from the bottom of the pot, we're going to add our thyme leaves, our garlic, our fresh parsley and oregano. I'll be right back to searing. Hey guys, so the flour this up, okay? Just want to make sure we coat it on each side, all right? With the seasoned flour that was seasoned with the oxtail seasoning. Hey guys, so make sure your oil is hot before placing the roast in there. And so we're just going to sear this baby up on all sides. And again, we just want to get all sides crusted, coated in that nice, beautiful crust right there, okay? So I have this on sear/saute on high with a little olive oil in there. All right, so we're going to coat the bottom of it, then I'm going to do the sides, and then I'll be back to show you me adding the rest of the ingredients. Pressure cooking it for about 30 minutes. Be right back. All right, y'all. I done added my broth. Let's throw in some thyme. Let's get it's steamy, right? Get our garlic up in there with our oregano, parsley. Let's start putting our potatoes. Hold on, I should have just dumped everything. And I'm leaving it simmering, guys. Sorry I'm moving so much. Leaving it simmering. We adding all our goodness in there. Potatoes, onions. And now I'm about to turn this straight into pressure cooking mode. But everything looking good. You see that crust on there? That's what's up. And I'm going to add a little bit of beef broth because you know you don't need that much beef broth in here because this roast is going to make juices of its own as well. So, we're going to put this on pressure cooker for 30 minutes and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, this is 30 minutes up in it and it's okay. I just want at least 5 more minutes in this pressure cooker and we good. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, roast is ready. I took some of the gravy out so that I can add to make some gravy. And gravy is ready. With those herbs and all that good stuff in it. Yes, that's how I like my gravy. Hey, let's slice into this delicious meal. Look, you don't even need to slice. Look, it's turning into chopped beef, y'all. Look at that. Fully cooked. Ready to deliver a few pieces, which I have for you. So, I'll return. I'm just going to get my gravy on here. Let me get a little bit more gravy. Just a little more. Just a little more on there. And then a little on our cheddar cheese biscuit. And why not just drop a little bit, right? All right, so let's go in for a taste. Be right back. Welcome back. What's up, guys? Yes. And that is looking fabulous. That roast. Let's dig right in. I want this cheddar biscuit. And these greens. With this rice. And let's taste the star of the moment, which is this roast beef. Let me give you the first one. It's fabulous. As you can see, it could be, you could make this into a sandwich. And the potatoes. This pot roast is bomb. This Ninja Foodi Deluxe is truly the bomb. You can do rice. You can make yogurt in it. You can air fry in it. My affiliates link will be listed down below. if you're interested in getting one of these. One gadget that does it all. It dehydrates and everything. So, woo! Ooh, this is so good. I want to thank you guys for coming once again. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. All I want to do is love on you while you love on me. And hit the notification bell for when you food. So you can be reminded of when I am coming to you with another video. And don't forget to thumbs it up. Thumbs it up, guys. And share it out. Share it out to your friends and family. Let them know what we're doing over here at Jill's Comfort Zone. And don't forget to comment down below to let me know what you think about the video and what you would like to see me cook next. So, yeah, some roast, some green beans, cheddar biscuits, a roast and veggies, red potatoes, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. And as I always say, I love you, God bless, and peace out. Until next time, later, y'all.